What's up, guys? Cyber Diamond 10 in the building. Today we're going to be reviewing Mountain Explosion Original. Before I get started, I just want to say, hey, yo, Bryce. This week's going to be Rage Week from my mom, because I'm going to be uploading hopefully every time she rages, I'm going to upload. But, anyway. Let's crack this thing open. Took a little sip out of it before I started the video. This is a full 2.5 liters. Check it out. Oh crap. Hold on a second, guys. God dang. Here you go, guys. You know, it tastes really good. Tastes like Empowered Mountain Dew. Has that nice hunch flavor. And it's very, I don't know how to explain it. Very crisp, sour, sweet. It tastes like Mountain Dew, but with a sour bitterness. Well, not bitterness, but a sour taste to it. A sour hunch flavor. Basically, it's like the Sour Patch Kids and Mountain Dew. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but yeah, that's what it is. And 1 to 10, I give this baby about an 8. Not gonna lie, I love this stuff, man. I've drunk this and drunk this and drunk this. You know I've drunk in regular Mountain Explosion. Man. Good stuff. I'm burping because I had Olive Garden. Anyway. So. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit it with the thumbs up. But if you hate the video, hit it with the thumbs down. And if you like my channel, make sure to subscribe because I upload every day. So, this is your boy Cyber Diamond 10 signing out. Peace, and I'll see you another time. Bye, bye, bye. Get out of here. I'm just kidding with you guys. Bye.